hilltop. You're on a hilltop. Hilltop. You're on a hilltop.
Size of the fruit tree is bigger than my body. Is a fruit tree. Whoa. Statue is 60 kilometers far from here. We stopped our bike over here as a sign of Seusar. So we're gonna have some Seusar over here. Loved it. Nice view. We just entered in one village. You can see the houses of the village. The people, they are sitting. The buffaloes. Wow. We got clear है यहाँ पे. Village side देखने का कुछ और ही मजा है यहाँ पे. सच बोलूँ तो. I think we are not too far from the welcome to the world's tallest Statue of Unity. World's tallest, the statue of the world. Finally, we are very close to the Statue of Unity. You can see the Statue of Unity over here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
First of all, you need to get the ticket there. So I'm gonna head for my ticket. I'll get my ticket over there. I need to see how much are the tickets because I've heard there are like 3 or 4 types of tickets. So let's check it out which types of tickets I'm gonna get. Wow, just getting an entry over there. There's like too many people over here though. Let's go, man. Wow, so I think yeah, just send chance lines over here. You can see a Statue of Unity there. It's a quite big one statue over there, you can see. Wow, just quite big statue. And the people that are taking the pictures over here. Wow, it's quite big. Beautiful fountain. Yes, guys, finally we have arrived to the Statue of Unity. A beautiful place. But I would like to say it's worth to come here, and it's not that much tickets. It's 150 rupees. It's worth to come here. Wow, amazing. What a view! What a view of this statue! It's an amazing view of it. Oh, good, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God! Oh wow, wow! I can't explain with the words how big and how beautiful is this one. I would like to take a selfie with this.
Yeah.
'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
RichHeartForever approves it. I'm going to approve, and I would like to, recommend the people to come down here. It's worth to spend 150 rupees. So if you can, you may go here near the lakes, and if you want to go on this chest body, so you may spend about 380 rupees. So I go to the chest body. Wow, let me go on top. Let's check it out. Wow, it's a really beautiful statue up there. What? So we are just on escalators now. Oh, I can see some lights over there inside this body. Oh, it's quite big. Oh my God. What's there? There's escalators as well, so but still I would like to walk through it. Wow, amazing view. Let's go, bro. Look at the thumb. Ah, it's damn big. Oh my days. What a massive, a big statue. I can't believe it. Wow, just look at the thumb of this statue. Oh my God. Ooh. Can you imagine how big is that one? Just look at the thumb. Oh, just come this way, bro. Oh my God. Is it made of what? It's made of cement, it looks like. Wow, just look at the thumb. It's a quite big thumb there. Wow. You know the pinky fingers of these statues are quite bigger than the human body. Wow, just a quite massive, big statue of this world. I never had seen this kind of statue ever in my life. Look at this hand. Oh, fucking hell. Even, the pinky finger of this statue is bigger than, oh my God. I think it looks like made of the cement. Ah, no. It's quite amazing. Wow.
You make films?
Yeah, I do make, yeah.
You make films? I think I have seen.
It's the back side of this body. There's a leg there. It's bigger than the Statue of Liberty from the USA one. Ah, gone, bro. I'm going to walk around this statue. It's made of cement or what is it that one? Even you know this sleeve that is a footwear. Oh, you see the footwear. This is the size of the footwear. It's bigger than my body. Is a footwear size. You can't imagine that. Even the footwear size is quite bigger than the human body, so you can imagine how big bodies are that one too. Oh, it's good services from here though. And the back side of it, there's a river. It's like, oh yeah, it is a metal. Yeah, it is a metal though. Wow. It is the metal, bro. Yeah, just you got any coins there, right? Yeah, I've got coins there.
I don't have coins, so
Yeah, I'm just gonna put the coins here.
you have
I'm gonna make a sound of the coins so we'll know it is made of the cement or made of the yeah, just hold this one.
okay, bro.
I'll got coin here, so just come this way. You will hear this sound. Is it made of the cement or is it made of the metal?
Whoa,
It looks
fabulous.
like made of the metal.
I call it a
But you can see the architecture, you know, the way they have built it. I can't explain it.
The Chinese emperor.
Oh my God,
Statue, bro.
who built this one? I'm not sure. But it's an amazing. Look at this pose of this guy. The pose. This is my friend. How are you? How are you?
English not speaking.
No English speaking. What's your name? Your name? Vipul. Alright. My name is Vijay. Nice to meet you, bro. Ah, enjoy, yeah. So if you guys, if you are coming here, you don't need to spend the whole day.
Bro,
You just need about 1 hour to just like exploring around this statue. If you are going on, top of the statue, then you might need to make maybe a couple of 30 minutes more.
I just want to say this statue is made through the Chinese emperor.
Are you sure?
Yes, 200 emperor exported by the China.
Is it?
At here.
Are you alright? Are you sure?
Sure.
Wow.
I check on internet.
As my friend said me that the statue's been made by Chinese people that was like 200 the Chinese exports. They came here, they helped them to build up the statue. So this was my tour of the Statue of Unity. I hope that you liked my video and you have enjoyed my video too.
Watch my video. Like, subscribe.
So guys, bye bye. Richard forever. Bye bye.
'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
I've just been to the Statue of Unity. That was overall, I would like to say that was a good place to go there, and I spent about 150 watts to go there, and took me about 1 hour to exploring around the Statue of Unity. That was a quite big statue. If you guys are coming here, please come here. It was to spend money about 150 rupees. Please guys, come and enjoy your time with the Statue of Unity, guys. I hope that you liked my videos. You're gonna enjoy it. Subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share my video, and thank you guys. Bye.